This is Fan of FileMate, and today we're actually working on talking about apps and their permissions and their user reviews. So here we are, we're at www.google.com, and we're going to go ahead and click on the Play Store. And here we are in Google Play. And as you know, Google Play has anywhere up to 750,000 different apps. And the search field is right here for Google Play. We'll go ahead and we're going to go ahead and type in our very first app that we're going to check on today, and that's called Pogo Games. P-O-G-O Games. Apologize. And here we are. These are all the searches that come up for Pogo Games. We're going to go ahead and click on this one, and as we can see, we have a little bit of information about the game. We know who the developer is, which is Electronic Arts Incorporated, and we know it's got 4 stars and a total of 4,282 reviews. So let's go ahead and let's click on that. And here we are, the main page of Pogo Games. So when you're dealing with any app, before your kid or wife or loved one wants to download the game on the tablet, always come on, if you have it all possible, to a laptop or a desktop computer and review this app prior to downloading. So a couple things that we're going to look at is the tabs here. And the tabs from left to right are Overview, User Review, What's New, and Permissions. So we're going to start with User Reviews. And as we can see here, there are about 2,500 5-star reviews and about 591 1-star reviews. So let's click on the 1-star reviews. And we see some users having some issues with this app. So November 30th, HTC Evo 4G. It says that it's not saying it's on the internet. Here's one from November 24th, Galaxy Tab 2 user. Freezes too much often. It's frustrating to see a good game being lost because it froze. Keeps freezing. Nexus 7. Disappointed. Ad issues. Unsatisfied, ridiculous, so forth and so on. So I'm not going to read all of these, but what you want to look for is constant themes. If you're seeing that the app constantly has 1-star reviews that are addressing freezing, forced closure, and you've seen plenty of those across a wider array of devices, you may decide that you don't want to install this app on your device. Okay? Because it's probably going to do the same thing to you. And you don't want that. Again, Wintec Industries or any other manufacturer of any tablet won't support the software of what you download on your tablet. They'll support the hardware, but not the software. You are ultimately responsible for what you download. Who would be responsible for Pogo Games? That would be Electronic Arts Incorporated. So you would have to email them or address the issue with them. Let's go to permissions. And you're seeing this is what you are allowing this app to do on your tablet. So you're allowing it full network access. You're allowing it to read phone status and identity. You're allowing it to modify your storage. And it also prevents the tablet from sleeping or prevents the phone from sleeping. What does that mean? That means that when your tablet wants to sleep, this app is going to keep it running. Okay? Just think about how you would perform if somebody prevented you from sleeping. You probably would not be at your best. So let's go to our next app that we're going to look at. And we're going to look at the TWC app. And TWC is here. This is Time Warner Cable. They're the developer of this app. So you can see it's got 3 stars. Some 4,000 reviews. Let's check the user reviews individually. And you can see here there's some potential issues that are going on. We have about 1,000 5-star reviews, and we have over 2,000 1-star reviews. Again, I'm not going to read these for you. You need to do the investigation on yourself. But as you can see here, January the 8th, live TV fail. T-Mobile Samsung Galaxy S Blaze 4G. This is another one, user from December 26th. This is a user from December 25th. This is a Nexus 7 Google tablet. This is a Samsung Galaxy S3. This is a Motorola Zoom. As you can notice, between two different devices, one works, one doesn't work. Again, it's not necessarily the device. It's going to be the incompatibility of the app. Just keep that in mind. So let's now check out the permissions to see if there's any permissions. Okay, again, this is requires full network access. It does read your phone status and identity, does modify and delete the contents of your USB storage, and it does prevent your tablet from sleeping. Alright, so let's go to our next app, which is going to be CNN. And the one particular CNN app as I'm going to do is pick this one right here. And I'm going to go to permissions. And just to let you be aware of, some apps require or ask for hardware controls. This one does for pictures and videos. So it says specifically allows the app to take pictures and videos with the camera. This permission allows the app to use the camera at any time without your confirmation. Don't know about you, but I certainly wouldn't want to have an app have that type of control over my device. This is just one example of an app that takes control over hardware when you allow it to. Okay? So let's go to, let's say, Angry Birds. Everybody likes Angry Birds. Matter of fact, we have all types of Angry Birds to pick from. Let's do Angry Birds Star Wars. And we have a couple different versions. We have the HD version, we have the regular version. Let's go ahead and let's pick this one right here. Okay, let's check on user reviews. And we see that we have about 5-star, 1,628, and about 350 of the 1-star reviews. What do the 1-star reviews say? So if I'm reading this, I see that this particular app has a particular issue with Android DNA. Okay, I'm seeing a constant theme. So let's go back and let's review. How many do we see? We see 1, we see 2, we see 3, we see 4, 5. These are the type of threads or trends that you're looking for. And when you see these type of trends, you don't want to download the app on that particular device. Again, it does say it's compatible. It's an Android app. You have an Android phone. Don't be fooled in thinking that it's always going to work. The last one I want to talk about is Facebook. So here we have Facebook. Very popular app. Let's check the user reviews. And we have somewhere in the neighborhood of about 2.8 million 5-star reviews, and we have about 1.1 million 1-star reviews. Okay, here we go. It tells me the connection lost, tap to reload. I had a good connection. Now, you can't always believe all the 1-star reviews, nor should you always believe the 5-star reviews. The important thing is you're looking for trends. Okay. Lastly, we're going to look at Google Chrome, because this particular app is installed on the FileMate Clear. Click on Chrome, and we're going to go to User Reviews. And we have about 109,000 5-star reviews and about 17,000 1-star reviews. So let's go to 1-star reviews. Okay app, no flash support, stock browser is better, still lag and scrolling, very unstable for HTC Evo 3D handset. Browser tends to freeze or vibe. So if you have a FileMate Clear and you're experiencing that same issue, it's not the FileMate Clear, it's the Google Chrome app. Slow, laggy. Hey Google, there's a reason why I set the phone's language to English. Chrome freezes a lot. Then I have to close it, which becomes annoying. Biggest problem with the app is that whenever I try to type something into it, I can only put in one letter before the keyboard disappears. Slow and crash prone. So here it is. I love Chrome on my computer, but the mobile version has not worked at all since I've installed it. It won't load any pages and frequently crashes. So if you're using Google Chrome on your FileMate Clear, you probably want to use the other browser or download a browser from Google Play. So let's take a look at a tablet that's got some apps that are installed on it. And I'm going to show you how you can move those apps to the internal memory of the tablet. So here we have a FileMate Clear. And a couple points to remember is there are two memory places for applications on your FileMate Clear. There's the RAM and there's the internal storage. The RAM has about 1 gigabyte and the internal storage has 16 gigabytes. Think of it as streets. If you put all your cars on one street, even though there's two streets, you're going to have traffic. It's going to take longer for you to get through, and they all want access to that one street. If you remove some of those cars from the one street and put them on the other street, it's going to free up your traffic and you're going to be able to get through quicker. Same thing with your tablet. The more apps you have installed on your RAM, the longer it's going to take to load, the more frequently you're going to have crashes, and the more likely chance that you're going to have experiencing lag time. So let's go to Settings. And we're going to go to Apps. And you can see here at the very top, we have a couple subsections. We have Downloaded. And I apologize. Downloaded on SD card running and all. So there's a Downloaded on SD card running and all. Right now it's highlighted on Downloaded. So we're going to go to Amazon Kindle. And you have an option that says move to tablet. That's because that one's already on the SD card. So we'll use the back key and let's go to Angry Birds. That one is also on the SD card, so it says move to tablet. We'll go back and we'll go to Bridge Connector. That one also says move the tablet. And let me see, Cut the Rope. That one also is on the SD card. Let's move it to the tablet. That way you can actually see what it's supposed to say.